Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available online. I've included a link in the description. I'll take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is absolutely perfect if you run a small business. Maybe you are on a charity board, or maybe you like to do a ton of garage sales, and this is a money counter. So this is gonna make sorting your cash, counting your cash super easy. So it allows you to make transactions with the bank a lot faster and a lot smoother. So this was sent over by a company called MUNBYN, and this is their IMC22 model. Very nice and compact and sleek. So everything you're gonna get once you open it up, naturally you are gonna get a user manual that tells you all about it. We're covering a lot of the features here in the video. You're gonna get a cleansing cloth and a little brush here. This is gonna basically keep the dust out of the mechanism, so that way it's running at its premium level. I don't really use this very often because one of the reasons it does come with a nice little cover here, so that way when you are not utilizing it, you can go ahead and cover it up and then also keep the dust from getting in there, which is a really nice little feature. Now you are gonna get a spare fuse in case you need to replace the fuse for whatever reason, nothing that I've ever had to do. And then you're also gonna get just kind of the blank note here as far as calibration goes. But why I like this thing, first off, it is nice and compact. Give you an idea of the size here. It is about 10 inches wide. It's about 13 inches in depth, and it's about 7.5 inches in height. Very easy to utilize this machine. It's gonna be able to do mixed denominations, which is super nice. So it's gonna have already pre-programmed in here the major currencies like the United States, the Euro, the Mexican peso, Great Britain pound, Canadian bills. However, you can also download into this via the USB ports about 120 plus countries' currencies. So if it doesn't have the pre-installed country that you're looking for, you will be able to get that on here, which is really nice as far as running. The screen is also very easy to see. So all the controls are right here in the front. You're gonna have basically your arrows. It's gonna allow you to go ahead and change your various settings. You're gonna have an add button, which is gonna allow you to essentially add batches together. You're gonna have your menu setting. You're gonna have your batch button. Then over on the next side, you're gonna have your currency, which you'll be able to easily switch to your currency mode. Then you're gonna have your mode. So this is gonna do 3 mode options. So first off, you can just do a straight up count. So whatever your bills are, it's just gonna count how many bills you have, especially if you already have them divided up into the various currencies or denominations. It's gonna be able to do that for you. Then the next mode is going to be count whatever the first one is. So it's gonna basically sort it, if you will. So call it the sorting mode. So if I put it in the 20, it's gonna go ahead and start cycling through, counting all the 20s, and then it'll stop when it sees a non-20 bill. You'll be able to take that out, and then it'll continue on. So that way you can easily sort a big stack of cash into the various denominations as you need. And then the final one is what's gonna be your your counting mode. And like I said, it does mixed denominations. So I have some 20s, 100s, 10s, a 5 in here, and it's gonna be able to add all that up. So it's gonna count how many bills there physically is, and then it's going to go ahead and tell you the total denomination. So very easy. You're just going to go ahead and take your cash, put it in the back hopper. It will automatically start. And as you can see, it is incredibly fast. This thing can do 1,200 bills per minute. So super fast. And then you're gonna see right here on the screen, it said I had 25 pieces of currency here, and then the total denomination is $605. And there's multiple ways that it's going to display this information. So obviously, if you are having this facing you, you have all your settings. It's easy for you to see. Now on the side, which is a cool little feature, so if you have this turned and you have this customer facing, there is another little screen right here on the side, which also allows you to adjust and change anything. So depending on your setup, if you're working with a partner or whatnot like that, very easy. However, it does also have the remote little screen itself. So if you want this all behind a counter or whatnot, you can have this facing the customer based, and it's going to just simply tell you the total dollar amount and then how many pieces. This is removable. It just plugs into the back. It's a little kind of phone plug. So very, very easy to utilize that as far as that aspect. Now, as far as moving it around, it does have a built-in handle, so once again, very easy to pick up and lower. And then it's gonna have all your safety protections that you would expect built into this. So it is going to be able to detect a ton of different counterfeit options, if you will. So whether it is going to be utilizing the UV, it's gonna be looking for that magnetic strip, it's gonna be able to do the IR, the MT, all that fun stuff. So how that's going to work is take my money here, and I have some counterfeit, just got a $100 bill and a $20. Go ahead and mix that in, and it's going to let you know when you come across one of those bills. So we'll put it in here. Once again, very easy to utilize. And so now you will stop, and it will tell you IR suspect, and you can pull out, and it's going to go ahead and immediately pull out the currency in question. Once you've pulled this out, go ahead and hit that start button. It will continue. Now it found the next one. Go ahead and pull this one out, and then go ahead and hit start and continue. And now it's back to the 25 pieces, the 605. And now I've pulled out my 2 bills in question. So very, very efficient, very, very easy for tracking all the various different counterfeit activities. Also, I've never had issues with jamming. It goes really, really fast, goes very, very smooth, works very, very well. So if you are in the market, whether you're, like I said, you're looking for yourself for a small business, maybe you run a charity organization, or maybe you're just like have a ton of garage sales and you're looking for a money counting machine that is super easy to use and easy to bring with you, this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.